Hi guys, so this how you can start learning a new language, a backend language. And for this video, I'll be talking about Golang. So Golang is one of the language that are it's becoming popular. Not that much popular than other languages like JavaScript and the old language that are known like from 90s. Talk of Java and other languages, but is one Golang is one of the language that it's being used by the big companies, starting with Google. The guys who made it, who created the language, they are using it in their backends, to create the backend system. Talk of YouTube. Google owns a lot of application and says very large AI systems that run the internet. So again, talking of uh Twitch uses, also Golang, also Uber. Very big companies use it, and this is how you can learn it from this website. So for you to start, you can just come up to this, head up to this website that is W3 School. I've been using this website like for the past I don't know, it's 5 or 3 4, but a lot of years. I can't recall well exact number. So you just come up to this. It's been like 3 months since I started working with uh I started learning Golang, and I started because I have already experimented with other language like talk of backend languages like Node.js, PHP, Java, Python. So I have a lot of projects like using. I've done projects using PHP, Node.js, and Python also in the LLM parts. I mean, creating, if you want to train a model, if you want to create your own AI model, you better learn Python. So yeah, and I'll be sharing them here in this channel. So make sure to follow along, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get to be notified in any time I upload a new video. So I just wanted to plug you on this, and just to come here to introduction or get started. Let's go back to get started. So here you'll be able to you will be directed or guided on how to install the software all you need, that is installing the Golang to your machine. But if you don't want to install all those things, if you just want to start learning the basics, you can as well use the W3 School IDE, and you can also host your small project using the W3 School Spaces. Yeah, so yeah, that's cool. So I don't want to make the videos long, so I will keep updating you. I'll show you project that I've built using Golang, and I will give you a chance to comment on that. But more videos are coming. I will also be showing you a project that I built using other languages like PHP. Yeah, and a lot and a lot, and we'll also talk on the front end parts and also backends and system design on how we'll be building some startup with you guys, and you'll be the first people to test it. So yeah, I have a lot of projects, and I'll make sure guys I'll be showing you one by one. We review one by one. So with that said, let's see you in the next video. Peace.